Alright, so today for Number Talk, we're starting out with 49 times 3.
Oh.
So think of your solution and think of the strategies you might have for your solution. Remember the symbols, more than one. And if you can, while you're thinking of your solution, think of the label for the multiplication strategy you've used. So if you want to explain it, using that strategy. Okay, who has an answer they would like to share? Kolshan,
Well,
just your answer, not the whole solution, just what you guys your final answer.
100
Yeah,
and 147.
okay. Does anybody else have an answer other than 147? Okay, so who would like to share how they got 147? Ankita?
I broke apart 49 into two parts, which is 40 and 9. And then I multiplied 40 by 3, which is 120. Then 9 multiplied by 3, which is 27. 120 plus 27 equals 147.
Like that?
Yeah.
And if there was what strategy would that be?
The distributive property.
Yeah. Okay, anybody else have a different way of solving? Harja?
I made 49 to 7 groups of 7, and then multiplied 7 by 3, and then multiplied that by, and I multiplied that by 7. Give me 147.
So you broke it into 7 times 3.
Yeah. And that's 21, and then 21 times 7 is 147.
Okay. So any idea what strategy that would be?
I think it's distributive property.
Okay. Does anybody else have any ideas about what strategy that could be? Distributed property? Rishi?
Using the distributive property with friendly numbers.
If we look at this one for distributive property, we've broken 49 into 40 and 9. Right, because 40 plus 9 is 49. With this one, Harjat broke it into 7 times 7. So is that the same type of thing as 40 times 9? Because here he's done 7 times 3, got the answer, and then done 21 times 7. Rishi, what do you think?
Having and doubling.
Having and doubling? Is this having? No, we haven't halved 49 to get 7. Okay, we'll leave this for strategy. We'll put distributed property and maybe a question mark beside it for now. Okay, any other solutions? Cameron?
I did 50 times 3.
Okay, so 49 times 3. So you made the 49 into 50
Yeah.
times 3. Okay.
And then I got 150, and then I subtracted 3.
How did you know to subtract 3?
Because I added 1 on, and then it was pretty much 1 times 3, and that's 3, so I subtracted 3 from 150.
Right. Yeah, so we added 1 here, and then 1 times 3 is 3. And we got 147. Now, why did you think to go up to 50? Why did 50 work for you better than 49?
Because it's easier to multiply. And
So we
it's
might call it a
it's a
friendly number. Alright. Any other strategies? Arshdeep?
I did, I split the 3 into 2 and 1. And
Okay.
I split the 3 into 2 and 1, and then I multiplied 49 by 2, and that gave me 98, and then I added 49 to 98.
Like that?
Yeah.
Good, sounds good. Any other strategies? Amita?
I don't know what strategy it is, but I did it so I knew that 49 divided by 7 was 7, and then I just took the 7 that I divided by and multiplied it by 3. So I had 7 times 21. And I knew 7 times 20, so I just did 140. And then I added a 7 to that.
And then there's one other group of 7.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Nice. Any other strategies? No. What strategy would we label Arshneets with?
I don't.
He's broken the 3 into 2 and 1. Nikita?
I think the distributive property.
Yeah, really, if we look at it, rather than breaking 49, right, it's almost the opposite here. It's 49 into 40 and 9. He's just broken 3 into 2 and 1. So, that's your property. What about Amita's? Any guesses, Tanya?
Distribute.
Okay. Where would distributed property be?
Where she broke the 49 to 7 and 7. I mean, where.
So doing like 49 divided by 7 equals 7? You can see again, we're heavy on distributed property. All right. How many people went up to 50? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of you. And would everyone say it was because it's a friendly number? Right? It's a bit easier than 49.